you got Sales or Service Sub Pro, I'm guessing a big reason that you went that route is so that you could use the sequences tool. This quick video is going to show you a few ways to enroll people, so let's jump in. So right now I'm on a contact record, and full disclosure, when I first started working in HubSpot, I was irritated that you could not enroll someone into a sequence from the contact record. But after doing a little digging, I figured out you can, because if you look in maybe actions, that's where you think it would be, or in these orange buttons, but it's not necessarily. But if you click the email button, you'll be able to see that you can enroll someone in a sequence. This would work the same if you were using the Gmail extension as well. So if I'm on a contact record, I want to put them in a sequence, I can do that. I get taken to the screen where I can make any edits to the email. If there's any missing information, I can change that as well, and then I can start the sequence. Another way that we can do this is going to the contacts list here. I can select individual people or a few people that I want to enroll into a sequence. So I'll pick a few, and then as you can see at the top, I can now enroll in a sequence. Select the one you want. Now you'll come to a bit different of a screen than the one we saw for just Jamie Tart. So what you can do here, you see I can just enroll 3 of 3 and send these on their way. But a best practice is going to be to personalize, customize each email with a relevant message for the recipient, which I can do right here. So I can go in and edit this email directly, do it for all 3 of these people, enroll the individual person, or enroll all 3. And yet another way we can enroll someone in a sequence is going to the sequences tool. So I'll go to automation. Sounds like we've got some traffic outside my window, but I'll go to the sequences tool, go to manage to see the ones I have available, click on it, and then as you can see at the top right, I can enroll contacts. Now I can do individual, or again, I can do a few. So let me find Jamie Tart. So I wanted to do this just to show you he's grayed out. You can only enroll a person into one sequence, which is helpful. It's a good guardrail so we're not bombarding people, but we can do Selena Meyer maybe. Yes, let's get her in a sequence. And then I'm back to this original window where I can edit and then again, start the sequence. So truly doesn't get easier than this to put someone into an automated sequence. Make sure that you're able to personalize things and keep things moving. Hopefully this was helpful for you.